Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. I'm Garrett from Rolling Hops, as always, joined by my friend here,
Andy.
And we are doing an episode for Groundhog Day that's coming up in just a couple of days. Happy almost Groundhog Day, Andy.
Thanks, Garrett. Happy almost Groundhog Day.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about Groundhog Day?
Yeah, actually, Groundhog Day is an interesting tradition that actually only occurs in two countries. The United States and Canada.
That's where we live.
That's right. So actually it's an old superstition that goes back to the Pennsylvania Dutch. Those superstitious folks, whenever they would see a groundhog poke his head out of the ground, they thought, oh, if the groundhog sees its shadow, you would have 6 more weeks of winter. It was sort of a forecast of a lot more colder weather to come. But if the groundhog doesn't see its shadow, then you will have an early spring.
On an entirely unrelated note, we're going to be drinking a McKinnon Brothers. Today we got the 8-Man English Pale Ale. Give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
We'll give it a shot. Give it a shot.
Yeah.
Give it a shot.
That makes sense.
McKinnon Brothers, they're up in Bath, Ontario.
Do you say Bath or Bath?
It's probably just Bath.
Yeah.
When's the last time you had a bath?
Very long time ago.
McKinnon Brothers prides himself on some really, really good beers, very good traditional styles of beer. They're actually one of the few craft breweries in southern Ontario that are a farm-to-glass brewery, meaning that they grow almost everything on site that is used in making the beer.
It smells delightful.
Very delightful. Here, cheers. Let's give it a shot. A shot.
Happy Groundhog Day,
Happy
buddy.
Groundhog Day. English Pale Ale. It's nice. It's got that malty sweetness. And still the hops sort of still show through at the end.
Yeah,
though.
not too much. It's very smooth, though. For a pale ale,
Absolutely.
It's not, you don't get those hop notes that much.
I
No.
could crush a few of these for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
But
Absolutely.
that's like every beer for the most part.
You're a crushable man.
Crush me!
Okay.
To those folks in the country south of us, the good old US of A, happy Groundhog Day. And to our fellow Canadians, happy Groundhog Day. Hopefully summer comes a little bit sooner than Mr. Wiarton Willie will predict. Cheers to that.
Cheers to Wiarton Willie.
Craft beer
is here.